In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Facebook page professional mode. Even though the feature is called professional mode, it actually applies to your personal profile, not a separate business page. That's important because everything you already have on your profile, your friends and your existing posts, stays exactly the same. What changes is that your profile gains professional tools, you enable followers for your public content, and you unlock features like monetization options and audience insights. Start by opening Facebook. You can do this on the mobile app or on a desktop browser. If you plan to use the app and don't see the option later, make sure it's updated to the latest version. An outdated app is a common reason the toggle doesn't appear. Next, go to your own profile. On mobile, tap your profile picture or your name to get there. On desktop, click your name in the top bar to land on your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look just below your cover photo for the three dots icon. Tap or click those three dots to open the Profile Options menu. This is where Facebook keeps settings and tools specifically for your profile view. In that menu, select Turn on Professional Mode. If you don't see it here, I'll share some quick fixes in a moment, but when it is available, it will appear clearly as its own option. Remember, Professional Mode is not for Facebook pages. It's a profile setting. If you're on a page, you won't find it. After selecting it, confirm by choosing Turn On. That's it. Professional mode is now active. Your friends list and past content remain unchanged, but your profile now supports followers for your public posts. This means people can follow your updates without becoming friends, which is great if you want to grow an audience. You'll also gain access to insights that show how your content performs and, if eligible, monetization tools. These features help you understand who you're reaching and how to optimize future posts. If the option isn't showing, try these quick checks. First, update the Facebook app to the latest version and then revisit your profile menu. Second, try the desktop version at facebook.com, as the setting sometimes appears there first. And third, keep in mind that availability depends on your region and account eligibility. If you still don't see it, you may need to wait until Facebook rolls it out to you. That's all you need to turn on professional mode for your profile and start using those creator-style tools without changing your existing friends or content.